I'm making this video to help you with survey type problems. Your book doesn't cover it extensively. So I'm going to have two examples. This is from set B, and it's very similar to your homework problems number 42, and the other one will be for 43. So first we have a university professor with 42 students who studied for his class during the weekend, and he asked them when they studied. So we can go down this list over here, but let's just, we know that they studied on Friday and Saturday and Sunday. So we're going to need a Venn diagram. And we're going to have three sets. So we'll first make a set for Friday. We'll make a set for Saturday and a set for Sunday. I'm going to make my pen a little bit thinner right here. Okay, we normally start reading left to right or from top to bottom, but in these types of problems, we're going to start down here. Okay, 2 studied on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So that would be right in here. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. 6 studied on Friday and Sunday. Well, let's put Friday here. Let's make this one Saturday. We're going to have to use the A and put Sunday down here. Okay, so this says Friday and Sunday. So that would be this region here, from right around in through here. So we have 6 studying there, but we're going to have to subtract because 6 covers that whole area. So this would have to be 4. This one studied on Saturday and Sunday. So Saturday and Sunday, maybe I can make this a different color here. So Saturday and Sunday is this region in here. So we have 10 for this whole region. So we're going to have to subtract off those 2 that studied every day. So 10 minus 2, we'd have to put a number 8 in here. Our next one is 10. We took care of that one. Next one is 3 studied on Friday and Saturday. Friday and Saturday would be this region here, from here to around here. So we have 3 minus 2, we have 1 that studied there. And we could also interpret it as that they only studied on Friday and Saturday. Okay, so next let's go to Sunday. They're saying 30 studied on Sunday. So we're going to have to take our 30 and subtract off 4, subtract off 2, and subtract off 8. So we're going to be left with 16. So 16 would fall in this region right here. So you see, if we added all of these up, 16 and 4 is 20, and 22 and 8 is 30. We'd have our 30 that studied on Sunday. Next, let's do 18 studied on Saturday. So for Saturday, we have 18. We're going to have to subtract off 1, 2, and 8. And that will leave us with 18 minus 10 is 8, 1 is 7. So we're going to have 7 students in here. And for Friday, make that a little bit clearer, we have 9 students. So 9 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4 will give us, well, this is 2 students studying only on Friday. So now we're ready to answer our questions. So let's take a look at A. How many students studied on Sunday but not Friday or Saturday? So Sunday, I'll try to use a different color. Okay, Sunday is here, but we have to take away Friday and Saturday. So we're only going to look at this region right here inside. So that leaves us with 16. Next questions, how many students did all of their studying on one day? So that would be here, here, and 16. So we have 2 plus 7 plus 16. So that answer would be 25. C, how many students did not study at all for this course? So what we need to do is take our 42 and subtract all of the numbers. So we need to subtract the 2, minus 1, minus 7, minus 4, minus 2, minus 8, minus 16. And that will leave us with 2 students who did not study at all. Okay, so this type of problem is pretty straightforward. The trickiest part is remembering that you have to subtract off on those first 3 we did. Let's take a look at another type of problem. And again, it's similar to your homework. An automotive repair shop, 50 cars were inspected. Suppose that 23 cars needed new brakes, 34 cars needed new exhaust systems. What is the least number of cars that could have needed both? So we're only really here dealing with 2 sets. Probably should have made this a little bit bigger. Okay, and here we go. And what we have is brakes, and we have exhaust. So what is the least number of cars that could have needed both? Well, we're going to look at it this way. We have 50 cars altogether. 34 needed exhaust. So the most